We'll guide you through how to change fonts in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve their design skills and create more attractive visuals. Changing fonts is a basic but important feature in Photoshop, especially for beginners. It helps users customize text for social media, thumbnails, or projects, making their designs look more professional, creative, and visually appealing. To change fonts in Photoshop, start by opening the program from your computer. Click the Windows Start button, then type Adobe Photoshop in the search bar, and when it appears in the results, click Open to launch the application. Once Photoshop is running, you need to create a new document so you can practice editing text. Click File in the top left corner of the screen, then click New to open the document setup window. In this window, move your cursor to the Art and Illustration section and select the 1000 pixel grid preset. After selecting it, click the Create button to open a blank canvas. Next, add text by selecting the Type tool icon from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on the canvas and slowly type the text you want to use. When you finish typing, click the checklist icon in the top bar to confirm your text. To change the font, click and drag your cursor over the text to highlight all the words you want to edit. After that, move your cursor to the top toolbar where the font settings are displayed and click the drop-down arrow to open the font list. Scroll through the list and click on the font you want to apply to your text. You can also adjust the size of your text by changing the font size value in the same top toolbar until it matches your preference. In addition, you can change the color of your text by clicking the color icon, selecting the color you want from the picker, and then clicking OK to confirm your choice. After finishing all adjustments, click the checklist icon again to apply the text changes. It is important to make sure your text layer is selected before making any changes so that the adjustments apply correctly. If you do not see the changes immediately, try clicking again on the text or reselecting it to ensure it is active.